Most people are still only using 10 to 20% of Claude Cowork, and while this is a super powerful tool, it's not that intuitive to learn how to use. So today I want to go through every single feature so that you can take full advantage of this powerful new tool in both your work and personal life. I've organized these features into 7 layers, from foundation to automation. I've got a cheat sheet version of this video. I make a cheat sheet for every single video that I create. They are all instantly available to anybody who joins my Patreon. There's a link in the description for that, but let's just jump right in with layer 1, setting your foundation. In today's example, I'm going to walk through a Little League coaching project here. Before we get into the flashy stuff, we need to start where all the power users start, with a strong foundation, and that is the Claude.md file. These are instructions that Cowork will look at anytime you're working in a specific folder. So I've got this Little League folder on my desktop, and now inside of the Claude desktop app, I'm here in Cowork, and I'm going to open that folder, choose a folder, and grab that Little League coaching folder, allow, and I'm going to grab this prompt out of the cheat sheet that will help us build this Claude MD, this foundational file that everything else can stem from. Dropping that in here, and this is a little bit of a fancy one, but you can just say, I'm the head coach of my kids' Little League team. Please create a Claude MD file for my coaching folder. And it can also work with you there without all these bells and whistles, but you can add some detail there. Awesome, it's asking some questions here. And now it's creating this foundational file, this Claude.md file. And now if we open this right side panel, we can see and edit that Claude MD file. Now let's move on to layer 2, working with your files. This solves the problem of constantly copying and pasting content in and out of chat windows. For this Little League coaching project, we can just ask something like, what would be some helpful files and folders for this, and how should we organize our work? Maybe you've got a messy folder with a bunch of junk in it already. You can use a prompt like this to scan that folder and look through everything and start to organize that folder there. But as usual, Cowork has come up with a pretty cool file structure here that it is outlining, and we can just say, okay, build this. And without even prompting it, it's already started using a powerful feature called the sub-agents that is creating 3 documents in parallel. And now let's take a look inside of this folder, and we can see all of the subfolders that it's built, as well as these documents here. That brings us directly to layer 3, getting it to create pro outputs. I typically use Google Docs, so I'm just going to click here and file upload. And let's take a look at that parent welcome letter. Looks pretty awesome. And here is the master roster Excel file. So we have that template right here ready for us. It's got multiple tabs down here, session stats, all kinds of cool stuff. And with just a couple prompts, we've got some solid assets. This reminds me of a Naval Ravikant tweet that I recently saw. He says it's not about junior versus senior, it's about good with AI versus not good with AI. So even if this is like your first time coaching Little League, you now have a system that's on par with somebody who's been doing it for a long time, just by knowing how to use this powerful new tool. But really, we're just getting started. Layer 4 is all about agents and parallel execution. Typical chat workflows used to take forever because they could only do one thing at a time, but inside of Claude Cowork, you can spawn sub-agents like we just saw. As it did automatically, it started to create these different documents all at the same time, so we weren't waiting for one to finish before the other could begin. There are a lot of ways to use that functionality, and this is where it stops feeling like a tool and starts really feeling like a team. Here's a prompt to demonstrate that, where we can get it to plan out all of our different practices in parallel. Dropping that right in, and we should be able to see these agents spinning up. And there we go. We can see it's doing 3 different searches all at once for ground ball fielding, throwing, and mixed skills. So if you're ever doing something one step at a time, you might want to experiment with doing things in parallel. There are many things that can be done this way. But that doesn't mean you don't need to steer this AI. That gets us into layer 5, the steering and transparency. Cowork allows us to jump in at any time and steer these models in the right direction. This is a feature I don't see anybody using. Here on the right-hand sidebar, we can click on this little comment bubble and say something like, be sure to search resources for maybe hot climates if you're in a very hot place. So you can make sure that you're steering these sub-agents to get exactly what you need as fast as possible. There's a reason that I'm clicking through and showing you what's going on under the hood, and I encourage you to do the same so you can get a feel for what's working there. The more you understand the way this model is working, the better that you can steer it in the long run. And now we've got our Tuesday and Thursday practice plans all knocked out, as well as a practice plan template based on some of the best research on the internet. Now let's get into Layer 6 Claude Cowork's plugins and connectors. Your work lives across dozens of different apps, and up until this point, you were the glue manually connecting all of that stuff together. But with 38 different connectors and the ability to create your own slash commands, Cowork can now be the hub for basically all of that. You can find these easily by just typing in a backslash and clicking plugins. You can find a bunch that are kind of the vetted plugins, as well as uploading and creating your own right here. Here's a prompt for creating a weekly parent update email that looks at your coaching folder, your Google Calendar, and your Gmail, checking to see if any parents have sent in questions, and then instructions on the draft. That uses some of the basic Gmail and calendar plugins. It'll walk you through connecting those, but you should really be using prompts like this to explore these different plugins, saying, hey, I work in finance. What are some of the best plugins that I should be using? And of course, there's a finance plugin you can install just like that. One feature I didn't quite realize until I was actually making this video is you can have multiple co-working strings going at the same time. So as you're working on something, you can fire something else up, and you should see them all running in parallel here on the left-hand side. Powerful feature. And now finally onto the last layer, which is layer 7. This is scheduled tasks. This is a brand new feature that was recently added to Cowork that allows you to schedule different tasks out. So now that Cowork is connected to your tools and files, why wait for you to trigger something when it can do it by itself? So looking back at the weekly email to parents, we can simply say, let's schedule this process to run weekly on Sunday afternoons. And it's created that scheduled task. Schedule, and it will take all that and drop a draft right into Gmail for my review to send off to the parents. How awesome is that? This cheat sheet goes into everything I've covered in much greater detail, but goes even farther into some of these hidden power moves, such as self-checking these sub-agents. There's a prompt for that. Claude MD mode switching, which is huge if you can wrap your mind around that. Using the folder as a database. Scheduled self-improvement. This thing is awesome. So not only scheduling tasks like we just did, but scheduling ways that the system can improve itself. Parallel research sweeps, and a ton more. This is a very massive cheat sheet that I have poured my heart into, so check that out. There's a link to this in the description. I've also got some weekly group coaching calls available in Patreon, which is a ton of fun. You can ask me questions directly, get help with your very specific use cases, so check that out. I've also got another video here I want you to take a look at for using Obsidian along with Claude. There's a link to that right here. I'll see you over there.
Make your dreams come true.